Beside the Seaside by Daniel Hanton. Roll up, clang went the bell. You could hear it down the prom. Everyone came to see where the noise was coming from. Are you ready? Let's read it. Beside the seaside. Splash went the milk in the breakfast bowl, then off to the beach for a morning stroll. Ding! The bus bell rang at the stop. The bus doors open and off they hop. Squawk! Said the seagulls as they watched family day trips. Perhaps today they might have chips. Splosh went the feet paddling in the sea, while Pops watched on, sipping his tea. Click! The case was opened by the man in the smart straw hat. He began to build a tent on a bright-coloured mat. Giggles of excitement were heard across the skies. A colourful little puppet theatre grew before your eyes. Hee-haw! Said the donkey, plodding past the show. She popped her head around the back and did not want to go. Clang went the bell. You could hear it down the prom. Everyone came to see where the noise was coming from. Tiddly-hoom-pom-pom, the music began to play. Oh, we do like to be beside the seaside, a funny voice did say. Swoosh went the curtains with a great big cheer, the children waiting patiently for someone to appear. Whizz! As if by magic appears the clown called Joey. He's from London and his clothes are bright and showy. Root toot toot! Mr. Punch arrives with his big hooked nose, full of laughter, wearing red and yellow clothes. Kissy, kissy, kissy. Mr. Punch's wife, Judy, gives him a great big kiss. He looks after the baby, which he thinks is bliss. Wah! The baby's dressed in pink, all spotty. He cries for his mummy and needs the potty. Sizzle! Joey has cooked sausages in time for tea. Mr. Punch is happy and full of glee. Snap! Mr. Punch did not see the hungry crocodile, all big and green with a great big smile. Chomp! He eats the sausages with one big bite. The greedy green crocodile was not polite. Boo! Mr. Punch is scared by a floating ghost. Punch gets the ghost and the ghost is toast. Hooray! It is time to go back down below. Until another day we can say hello. Jingle went the coins as they dropped into the bag. To thank the Punch and Judy man, a lovely time we had. Clatter is the sound of packing all away. It is home time now, but we have had a lovely day. I hope you enjoyed this book. Don't forget, be good for your parents. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching Storytime with Gita. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media. 1, 2, 3. Read with me. See what's the next book is going to be. Pictures page. They are good for children of every age. Learn the letters A, B, C, and stories that wow you and me. Grab your books and gather around and listen to Gitta read aloud. Sit and enjoy the relaxing tone, and maybe one day you'll write your own. Don't forget to be good for mommy and daddy. Obey, respect, and help them daily. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye for now, but only for a short while. Bye.